It is always good to walk in the garden in the morning. And when you are in a village, pollution free rural area, and if there is such big garden, then you are so lucky. The sun is rising, you can see so many shady trees. An ideal village, native place Kerala district, Morbi. Some children are playing. Good one by young youth of Kerala, of village. I always spare time to walk here in the morning when I get chance to stay here. And when we live in mega city like Ahmedabad, we value the village the most. Natural air, natural surrounding, innocent and hardworking people. Most of our farmers. Really a big one. It keeps us with nature. And nature, as you know, nurture our nature. The nature silently nurtures our nature. So spare time, live with nature. It is also said, if you live natural life, then there will be no psychosomatic diseases. Find out the place around you where you are. But if you are eager, then you will find. Good morning and have a nice day from native place Kerala district, Morbi. Thank you being with me. Best wishes. धन्यवाद. जय अरुणाचल.